everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing another lab. This is Growth of Organisms, Explore 1, What are the Chances, on page 53 of the Segment 3 workbook. So we're going to turn the page here to page 54. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to roll this die here, and we're going to see what number it lands on, and whatever number it lands on, we're going to check out the environmental conditions and the genetic factors on the genetic factors and local conditions for plant growth page, which is on your screen now. So I'm going to roll this die first, and I'm going to write everything out on plant 3, but you can also write it in plant 1 since I already got this stuff right here. So I'm just going to write it in 3, but you're going to write it in 1. So here we go, I'm just going to roll. I got 1. So for 1, the environmental conditions are very acidic soil, no clay in soil, 1 day of rain each week, full sun, animals in the habitat are rodents, and the genetic factor is by wind. So right here, number 3, and you're going to write it in 1, original genetic factors by wind. And original environmental conditions, we're just going to write them in right here. Alright, so I just wrote everything out right here, original environmental conditions. So these are the conditions that the plant needs to survive. So now we're going to roll again and see what we land on. We just landed on 3. So now our new environmental conditions are very acidic soil, 30% clay in the soil, 3 days of rain each week, shade, and there are birds in the habitat. Now the genetic factor is going to stay the same by wind. So now we're just going to write them out over here, new environmental conditions. Alright, so I just wrote everything out right here. And you can see the only thing that's the same is very acidic soil. Everything else is pretty much different. The clay is pretty close. We got 30%, and here we have no clay, and we got 2 extra days of rain. So now we're going to predict if this plant will survive. And we can predict that the plant might survive since it is very close, but not exactly. And very acidic soil is the same, so we can predict the plant might survive. Alright, so just write that in the prediction here. So now just do the same for plants 4, 5, and 6. Just roll your die, and then take a look at the environmental conditions and genetic factors and predict if the plant will survive. So that pretty much wraps up this lab. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more science videos like this one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.